Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I hope that the videos will keep uploading and helping you out. On this video guys, I'll be tackling question number 12 from the King David High School preliminary exam, which was written in the year of 2023. The question paper guide had 12 questions in total, so please do expect 12 videos because each and every question will have its own video. And please guys, do take this seriously. I strongly believe that knowing how to tackle exam questions will give you an edge whenever you write your preliminary exam and most importantly, your final examination. So please guys, do share the video to your peers so that they may have the same edge as you, and please do help us grow the channel by just subscribing. Okay, we are told that a rectangle with length x and breadth y is inscribed in triangle ABC. Ne? And then we are told that side AB is equal to AC. Okay, and then the base of a triangle is 10 centimeters and the height is just equal to 8 centimeters. Okay. Since I know the height, guys, of my triangle, I can simply draw my perpendicular heights over here. And I know that the height will just be 8 centimeters. Are you together? And since, guys, I was told that I have an isosceles triangle, that means these two angles over there are equal. So I can therefore conclude that this triangle over here, what's going on now? I cannot highlight. Okay, this triangle over here is congruent to the other triangle over there. If two triangles, guys, are congruent, it simply means the triangles are exactly the same. Are we together? So if the two triangles are exactly the same, I can therefore conclude that the length over here, that's 5 centimeters, and the length over there is also equal to 5 centimeters. Does it make sense? Okay. And also, guys, remember that we were told that the entire length is 10x and that length over there is equal to x. Are you together? So that means the length that side, this length over here, will be equal to that length over there. So that will just be equal to 10 minus 1 over 2x, and I also have 10 minus 1 over 2x, such that whenever I add whenever guys I add each and everything over there, I should get an answer of 10. Okay, now let's deal with finding the dimensions of the maximum area. Okay, if ever I focus on let me say in triangle in triangle 1, I will call this triangle 1, and that smaller triangle over there, that's just triangle 2. Ne? Triangle 1, guys, this is triangle 1 over there. Ne? In triangle 1, I can say that tan of angle C is equal to opposite, which is just 8 centimeters, divided by the adjacent side, which is just 5 centimeters in triangle 1. But in triangle 2, tan of angle C is equal to the opposite all over the adjacent side. So that's why all over 10 minus 1 over 2x. Are you together? I have tan C equal to something, and I also have tan C equal to the other thing. I can therefore conclude that 8 over 5 is equal to y all over 10 minus 1 over 2x, because both of these two statements are equal to tan of angle C. Okay, and then all I can do here, guys, is to just isolate the value of y. How can I do that? Firstly, I just need to cross multiply. I'll end up having 8 multiplied by 10 minus 1 over 2x is just equal to 5y. Then 8 times 10, that's 80. And then 8 times a negative half, that's negative 4x. That's basically equal to 5y. If I can divide both sides by 5, I'll find 16 is equal to 4 over 5x. That's just equal to y. I now know the value of y in terms of x. But remember, I was asked to find the dimensions of the rectangle with the maximum area. I know that I can find the area as length multiplied by breadth. Are you together? So my length is just equal to x and my breadth is equal to y. But I do know the value of y in terms of x. Y is basically equal to 16. Let me use a different color. Y is just equal to 16 minus 4 over 5x. Y is just 16 minus 4 over 5x. All I can do here is to just remove the brackets. I'll end up having 16x minus 4 over 5 times x squared. So this is an equation for my area. But they told me that I should find the dimensions of the rectangle if I have a maximum area. For maximum, guys, I just need to derive the equation of my area. I'll end up having 16 minus 8 over 5x. For maximum, guys, let me continue on the other side and use a different color. For maximum, guys, I know that the derivative is equal to 0, and hence I'll end up having 16 minus 4 over 5x being equal to 0, and hence 16 is just equal to 4 over 5x. If I multiply both sides by 5, I'll end up having 80 on the other side being equal to 4x. And then if I divide both sides by 4, I substituted my derivative incorrectly there. The derivative has an 8 there at the top now. Excuse me about that. There's an 8 there and another 8 there, and also an 8 as a coefficient of x. Okay, I can divide both sides by 8, and then now x will simply be equal to 10 together. So now I've found the dimension of the length if ever I have a maximum area. After finding x, I can use this equation over there to find the value of y. So y is just equal to 16 minus 4 over 5 multiplied by x, and this will just give me 8. So the dimensions of a rectangle, guys, that will have a maximum area. I'll simply have 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters. This is how, guys, we're supposed to tackle that question over there. So please, guys, do stay tuned and wait for more videos. This was the last question, guys, from the preliminary exam, which was written in King David's name. Please, guys, there's a playlist. That playlist has 12 videos from question 1 and until the last question. You can watch any question that you want, guys. Yeah, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, suggest things on the comment, guys. Please, I'm open to that. Yeah, bye bye.